Hey, it's Stephen D. from Beard Bushido, continuing our bargain series, how to start bearding on a budget. And again, I have another Amazon find for just about $15. This one was like $15.87 on Amazon. So let's open it up and see what we've got right after the introduction. Alright, let's open this baby up and see what we've got. Okay, going to Amazon. Alright, so inside of our envelope, we have a box. Alright, and it says, "Be Beard Tough, Hunter Jack," the old barbershop. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Again, this was around $16 before shipping on Amazon. Let's see. All right. Okay, very nice presentation. Okay, nice little box. Open it up. All right. It looks like we've got organic beard balm, Jack, and some beard oil. It comes in a little flask, and it looks like it's got a little hook on it. You could hook that on your keychain, on your belt loop, whatever. All right, so let's take a look at these, see if we can see what the scent profile was. All right. Okay, so the ingredients on this one: shea butter, beeswax, jojoba oil, argan sweet almond oil, apricot, and castor oil, and vitamin E. All right. So I'm not sure this one actually even has a scent. All right. So I may have actually bought this specifically to have an unscented oil and balm in your repertoire. That's always a good thing to have, is an unscented oil and balm. That does have a slight scent. Oh, this is actually more like a cologne scent, I think. Okay, nice scent. All right. But again, always nice. And this one, you can't see that, but it's just an open flask. All right. So you will have to just pour that out into your palm. All right. I may have gotten just a little bit too much that time, all right, since I didn't have a dropper or a dispenser top. Oh yeah, it's a very clean scent. First I thought it was cologne. That might actually be more of a barbershop type scent. I'm not sure. If you've used this Hunter Jack before, if you know what the scent is, the scent profile, go ahead and put that down in the comments and let us know. It is very clean though. I actually do like that. It's very fresh. All right. Okay. The flask itself is a nice little touch. Would have been nice to have like a diffuser dropper in there or something. Again, you're going to pour that out, so you're going to have to be careful that you don't pour out too much, like I just did. All right. Again, you don't want to over oil your beard. All right. Okay. It's the balm. Again, not a very strong scent, very clean, and just a little bit of that. And that goes in the beard. Alright, very nice. A nice feel to it. Let me comb that real quick. Nice, I like that. And again, for $15, if you're looking for a budget gift for someone you know in your life that's bearded and enjoys the bearded lifestyle, again, it's very attractive, and you're not going to break the bank. I think anyone would appreciate getting a gift like this. So, again, that's Hunter Jack. It was $15 and some change on Amazon. And if you've used this before, give us an update on your experiences. in the comments. Give us a thumb up, thumbs down. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. So again, this is Stephen D. from Beard Bushido. Stay safe out there, and remember to keep walking the whiskered way.